Alright everybody, today another landscape tutorial, beach scene, couple palm trees, and girl with a surfboard walking the beach. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this cap as a circle stencil for a sun. Just mist it around it so I know where I'm painting that sun. Using a glow-in-the-dark paint for that. This way when the lights are off in the room it will hopefully shine like the moon also. So we're going to let that dry before I put that down on there so it doesn't stick. So we'll come back in 20 minutes or so and be able to set that down without it sticking to it. Really? Thanks, camera. Alright. We are back for the landscape painting. Glow-in-the-dark spot is dry enough where we can put that cap down on it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the sky first, then I'll remove the cap, then do the water below. Going to do the nice, easy, simple yellow, orange, red fade. Oh no, she's dripping. Why do you always have to ruin it? That red paint kills me. Alright, we're going to go with that. Try to cover up the drips. See a couple still, but I'm going to act like they're not there. So next, we're going to do blue water, light reflection with the white. So we'll remove that. We got our sunset there. So now I'm going to take this paint edger, just as a straight edge here. Set this down about there. So let's start with a nice white. Go with light blue. And just another darker than light, medium blue. I got a real dark. I'm going to do right on the outside edges. Lift that up. Got a little bit of blue mist over there. Whoops. Getting sloppy. Now, let that dry. Come in with my stencil I cut out. Then lay down just the black. It'll be black silhouette of a couple pine trees. And beachfront with a surfer girl. Alright, now that we gave this a chance to dry up, got my stencil I cut out with palm trees. I was gonna do clouds on here, but missed that step or skipped it. Whatever. It'll look good enough without them. Putting all these down for weight so the aerosol can doesn't lift up the stencil and get it all misty underneath. Gives there nice cleaner lines on there if you put weights down. Just using these because I got them. You use rocks from your garden. Whatever. I've used wrenches before, screwdrivers, anything just to hold the poster board down from flying up with the wind of the aerosol can. Alright, we'll pull all these weights off there and try to be as careful as we can when we pull off the stencil. As I'm dropping things everywhere, almost ruining everything. Yeah. Everybody's got to be good at something. Started making all these simple tutorial videos because everybody's always like, well, how did you do that? But here you go. I'll answer some questions. I actually think I might let this dry just a little bit. Give it like 2 minutes or so. I'll just put the heater real close to it. Those little palm tree leaves, I have a feeling I'll be dragging across all of those when I lift the stencil. Heat up too much. And it's starting to disappear. That's not good. Alright, I guess we're just gonna go for it. Hope for the best. Not horrible. I'll take it. Do a couple little touch-ups with my paint marker wherever I set that down. clear coat it and hope for the best. I don't like that spot. Alright. Simple little one stencil. All in all, it was 7 or 8 different colors. Throw my signature down in the corner. There you have it. Little beach landscape scene. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Hit the subscribe button, so we'll see you next week.